Welcome to the engineer jobs. Pfizer is hiring for the post of maintenance engineer, equipment with diploma/BE/BTech in mechanical engineering having 2 to 6 years of experience. Location is based in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Job description: contribute to the completion of project milestones and organize own work to meet project task deadlines. Support engineering team in planning and overseeing the preventative maintenance for filling equipment. Manage the status of work control and backlog for work order submission to work order completion. Support maintenance work management and the installation, commissioning, qualification of equipment. Contribute to continuous process improvements initiatives. Provide input to capital project design with respect to equipment selection and specifications that create project approaches which minimize life cycle costs. Follow up and communicate schedule to all resources, i.e. maintenance, production, outside services, stores, and engineering. Responsible for pest control management in compliance with good manufacturing practices, also CGMP, and Pfizer internal requirement. Manage all the utility document and drawings and ensure all of them are sorted and archived properly. Ensure that supporting good manufacturing practices, also CGMP, relevant documentation is generated and maintained. 4 to 6 YRS of experience for diploma engineers, 2 to 4 YRS for graduate engineers, in maintenance function of pharmaceuticals industry. Experience in reliability-based maintenance practices. Demonstrated ability to write and provide simple and accurate instructions. Demonstrated computer and technical skills. Effective problem-solving capabilities. Excellent interpersonal communication and written skills. Nice to have. Knowledge or experience working in a good manufacturing practices, also CGMP environment. Biopharma experience. Should have knowledge on installation, operation, and maintenance of pharmaceutical packing machinery. Knowledge on qualification program, FAT/SAT/DQ/IQ/OC/PQ. Knowledge on operation and maintenance of respective equipments. Knowledge of preventive and breakdown maintenance. Should be conversant with validation documents, preventive maintenance schedules/check sheets, SOPs, and various audit procedures. Knowledge on AVI machines and stopper processing equipments. Scan the QR code to apply for the position. Please like and share the video. Subscribe the channel for more job notifications.